Hey guys, so today I made a tutorial on this look. It's a recreation of the first makeup I did for my Instagram, and I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the first release that she did with them, and this is the look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Just keep watching. I'm gonna prime my lids with NARS concealer. I'm gonna use Silk Cream. I think it's this one. By the way, this is BH brush. This color right here. And this is a MAC 217. And then I'm gonna use Hunts, which is this really orange. What? And I'm using this color Hunts with the MAC 217. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a stroke. I think it's the light. No, it's my... I never get like this. And it scared me.
Menopause.
I have a heart attack.
Menopause.
My old ass. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with the second shade that I used, so it can blend nicely.
Emily, I have
Layla. What?
a black
Why did you call me that?
ass. Rosaura.
You never say Emily, you say Yams. I'm gonna use this color to deepen it up so it can blend better into black. Okay, now with the NARS concealer, I'm gonna cut my crease so the blue looks brighter. Now I'm gonna use the Sigma E57, and this is like the star of the show, the blue color. Now I'm using Anastasia's black eyeshadow in Noir, right? Noir? Noir.
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 Noir. Noir. Noir.
Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Fuck!
What?
My beauty blenders
I'll go wash
are wet.
it.
No, I'm gonna go. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna tell them, bitch, same concealer I use for everything, just because it's awesome. I'm gonna use my Chanel bronzer, Soleil Tan de Chanel. I think that's how you say this. I put that shit all up in my hair.
Look at this.
Oh my god, who is this?
This thing. Like, it's bad. It's really bad. It's really.
Fuck is y'all
She doesn't
doing?
even have her toes done.
If she doesn't have her hands and her feet taken care of, she's not gonna take care of you, my dude.
But, if you're gonna post a picture with sandals on, make sure your toes are done. At least. At least.
These girls is a mess.
You guys are really something else.
Stupid.
Stupid.
Now I'm gonna use my Benefit bronzer.
That
It's
is
so disrespectful.
Yeah.
And this shit, I didn't realize it looks like a telescope. That's why it's called telescopic. Yep.
Dude, I didn't know that. I'm just acting shocked. You fucking idiot.
Oh!
It looks like a telescope.
I didn't know that.
What? What do you mean you didn't know that? You're looking at it.
But I didn't see a telescope. This is the number 003. Hella bougie today.
Hell
Chanel, Dior. Get on my level,
yeah. That's what you
bitch.
deserve, queen.
True. Thought something like really fell and hit you hard.
You when you fell from heaven?
Oh, wow. That was beautiful.
Thanks. You look so cute.
If you put on your eyelashes as soon as you put on the glue, you're a fucking psycho. Now I'm gonna do a nude lip. I'm gonna use a lipstick and a gloss. And then I'm gonna use Fly from Bare Minerals. These lip glosses are slept on big time. I don't never hear nobody talking about it. Okay, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and you already know, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.